Residents of Kargi village will be forced to seek makeshift shelters after their houses were blown off by strong winds. The winds, accompanied by heavy rains, also destroyed a nearby school, leaving pupils with no place to undertake their studies. Laisami's MP Musa Arbele is now calling on well-wishers to come to the rescue of the affected families, saying they have been left with nothing. The Red Cross Society has moved in and trying to assist the village that's stuck inside Chalbi Desert. Reporting for Channel 1 News, I'm Suleiman Yeri.